Installing your boat latch on Boat2Trailer.com. The first thing you're going to want to do is launch your boat into the water, giving you an empty trailer. Now you're going to want to go ahead and remove the roller from the trailer. Install the latch in place of the roller using one bolt. When you tighten this bolt, you'll want to make sure that the latch can still pivot. Roughly 20 to 24 foot-pounds of pressure is a good snug fit. Bring your boat back up into the trailer slowly. You'll see the latch does pivot and snap into place. Now just pull the boat forward into the dry area and hook up your strap and chain for travel.